I am Jonas Syversen, a woodworker and DIYer living in Norway. I've always enjoyed creating things, whether it's working with wood or running machines. I love taking on DIY projects and finding new ways to be more self-reliant. Even though we're not prone to losing grid power in my area, I decided to switch to solar for backup power. As someone who spends a lot of time in my workshop, having reliable, independent energy just makes sense. It's not only about just keeping the tools running, it's also about knowing that I have control over my power whenever I need it. For me, solar was a natural choice because I'm always looking for ways to be more self-sufficient and explore new technologies. It's given me peace of mind knowing that I can keep my workshop going no matter what. Plus, working with solar energy turned out to be another rewarding project that I really could get into. It's about knowing that you've got a backup plan if the power goes out or if you need some additional power. Knowing that you can keep your fridge running, your lights on, I really think it's a smart thing to do. I highly recommend looking into solar and taking a look at PowMr's products. For me, it's been a great experience and it's given me the freedom to work on my own terms. So we got the solar coming in through the wall, through our DC breaker and into the inverter. Now, this really is a powerful unit. I can handle a lot more than what I've got. I would have no problem expanding my solar array or my power outputs and my battery storage, as this inverter can handle every battery chemistry there is. Smart. So what I've got now is a 3 kilowatt hour lithium battery. It's a old EV battery that's been given another life.